Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming to share some goodies that I've either won or received from a few people. So let's jump right in. So sharing more, or Ebony sent me this pretty Christmas card, and it says Merry Christmas right there. Wishing you the joy of the season, your friend Ebony. Now, Ebony, my question is, where did you get this cardstock? It is so nice and thick. I love it. So if you could leave that down in the comment, I would appreciate it. And thank you so much for this lovely Christmas card. I really appreciate it. And then from the Cottage Cuts YouTube channel, I won this adorable little penguin here. Penguin decorating tree. So love that. And also from Scrap Diva 29's channel, she was giving away this scissor set. And if you don't know, she has opened her own design store. And there it goes right there. And there goes her site right there that you can go to. And anyways, I won this set of scissors here. Love it. And check out this adorable card she created with that. So let me just jump right in to show you that. Sorry about that. I should have had it out of the package. All right, here it goes. It's just too cute. When she had notified me that I had won, I was thinking that I could do something with Create because I got a couple Create dies, and then she sent something like that with Create. So we'll see what I come up with. And then she was just thanking me for being a loyal subscriber and thanking me that I watch her videos. And then she also wishing me a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Same to you, Erica, and thank you so much for the win. And look at this set, it's so cute. I don't know, I probably use the smallest one. I think that one's just adorable. So we'll get something made with that. And then from my channel, I had a video about a month or so ago where I said, show me your faces. And Monica Johnson had won. Well, I sent it to her and she sent me a package back. So anyways, I sent her winnings and this is what I got back in return. So thank you so much, Monica. I wasn't expecting anything back, but check this out. I can't hardly get this box in here. It's so big, but I just wanted to show you that she decorated the sides and I did take a peek, but I'm going to show you what's in the box. Now I'm going to kind of set this off to a side because it is a huge box. So I'm going to try and pull everything out slowly. Give me 1 second. Oh, it's just such a huge box. Look at this. I mean, like a ton of stuff in there. All right. We'll start with her card. Isn't this adorable? Now, she's stationed outside of the U.S., but she was also telling me happy holidays. And thank you for the inspiration for my channel. And she loved her prize. Well, thank you so much, Monica. I really appreciate your generosity. So let's get in and show you the items she sent. Oh my gosh, Monica, I was not expecting anything in return, but I really appreciate everything that you sent. So let's start with this. And so these are some little reindeer. You know, I'm gonna try and, let me just open it real quick and I'll just pop it in another bag to save them. But isn't this really cute? Look at that. Little furry reindeer. So I have a whole bag of those. And then we'll show these silicone molds next. So she sent me 3 silicone molds. Look at that. So we got a snowman, Santa Claus, and a gingerbread. I have never seen anything like these, so we'll see what we can do with those. Okay, next up, look at this. This is so cute, a Pez gingerbread. Never seen that before. And then she also sent me some wooden stamps. And this is a whole set. And then those are all the things that are in there. So that's really cute. You see, there you go. And it also has some red and green ink in there as well. And then she sent me this beautiful lace here, 300 centimeters. And she also sent me these wooden buttons. Just a beautiful package that she sent. I've never gotten a care package like this before, so I was really excited. And then in here, she sent a bunch of little candies there. So I assume these are all from where she's stationed at. Ah, it's just so cute. Little reindeer right there. And then she also sent me some choco spoons. So that's chocolate there. We'll see how that tastes. And I didn't open this, but I'm not for sure. I assume it's some kind of chocolate in here too. I don't know if I can open it without tearing the box, but we'll open that later. But anyways, she sent me that too. There we go. I think it's chocolate though. And this here as well. So this is some form of a cookie, I do believe. But they all look so good. I've never had any, like I said before, any box like this sent to me from anyone. Oh, let's see. We can open that one pretty quick. Easy. So yeah, I think it's just cookies in there. Cute box too. And she also sent me some butter waffling or waffle. So never had these. It's a biscotti, so I'll be trying that as well. And then this might be candy of some sort. So we'll try those as well. And then she sent me also these cute little angels. Look at that. Just adorable. And it looks like they're wood chips. Too cute. And then now we're down to the last of it. I have some stickers. Isn't that cute? 30 of them there, and this one has 32. Aren't those cute? And then here goes the last of it. And let me get this out of the box here. Oops. All right, here we go. So it's a paper craft set there. Look at that. So cute. Let's see, we have some sequins there. Look like those are stickers there. We got some papers, I do believe. Yeah, there's paper, I want to say right there. And then I think these are more stickers. I hope that wasn't blurred. Oops, there goes the papers. Papers and the stickers. And then we got some more papers on the back side. I think these are a little bit bigger than 8.5 by 11. Like it might be like 9 or something, 9 by 12. I'm not for sure. But there goes some more stickers there. Really, really nice. Thank you so much, Monica. I really, really appreciate your generosity. I'm just going to show this real quick. This is on the back side. So those are the double-sided papers, labels, stickers, snowflake sequence, and some 5 by A5. So I guess it's A5 pattern paper. But thank you so much, Monica. I really, really appreciate this. Like I said, I never had anything like this. You should have seen the smile on my face. I was so excited, and I really, really appreciate this. Happy holidays to you and your family, and to everyone who I have showed items from in this little Happy Mail haul. So thank you so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you.